glass cleaning. To begin cleaning the glass on your Napoleon fireplace, it's important that the fireplace be turned off and the glass is cool. Refer to the installation manual provided with your fireplace to determine the proper procedure for opening the glass door on your model. On this model, we must first remove the upper louver assembly and then open the lower louver panel, which provides access to the upper and lower door latches. Disengage the latches and the door will swing open. Use only a gas fireplace glass cleaner from your local Napoleon dealer. Do not use ammonia-based products such as Windex, which can have an adverse effect on the glass. Apply a small amount of cleaner to a soft, dry cloth. Wipe the glass in a circular motion until you feel the cloth easily gliding across the glass surface, which indicates that any buildup on the glass has been cleaned off. Allow the glass to dry, then take another clean, dry cloth and buff the remaining cleaner from the surface. Once completed, the door can then be closed and the unit can be ready to burn. Thank you for watching.